Hi everyone, good day. In this video, I'll be teaching you how to fix Bluetooth not showing in Device Manager. Okay, first things first, start by scanning for hardware changes. To do this, open the Device Manager. You can do this by going to the bottom of your computer and clicking on Search. After that, just type in Device Manager. Once you are here in the Device Manager, go to the top and click on Action and select Scan for Hardware Changes. Sometimes, this will help you detect your Bluetooth and add it to the list. And as simple as it is, hopefully this solves your Bluetooth bug problem. Anyways, if you like content like this, don't forget to subscribe to this channel or comment down below any tutorials you want us to make, so we can help you. And that's it. You can now fix Bluetooth not showing in Device Manager. Thanks for watching and happy scrolling.